Hey Trumpets, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to review the Trumpet Part 1 for Legend of the Alhambra by Mr. Mark Williams. This song is entirely in 3/4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Each and every measure has 3 beats. Also, we're going to need to use our B flat first finger every time we see that note B. Let's begin and let's review the introduction, which is the first 7 measures of the song. I've got my metronome set at 110 beats per minute, which is allegro. We start on the note A. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, stop. Let's do that much again. It's our introduction. 1, 2, 3, ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, stop. Now we're at section that begins on measure 8. So that's one single note D, followed by 7 measures rest. I know you can count those measures on your own, so I'm going to skip to where it becomes measure 16. Let's start at 16 and let's go to measure 24. Remember those first finger B flats, and also remember that a dotted half note gets 3 beats. 1, 2, 16, and ready, set, go. If you had some errors in that section, rewind the video and try playing that again. I'm going to move on to our next section, section 24. This section goes from 24 to 32. 1 and 2 and rest, rest. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, ready, set, go. Let's do that section one more time. Be careful of those 8th notes right at the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 24, go. Rest, rest. Remember that half notes get 2 beats and quarter notes get 1 beat. And when you tie them together, you can make longer notes happen. So in the case of measure 28 and 29, when we've got a half note tied to a quarter note, even though it's not in the same measure, it's going to get 3 beats. All right, we're at section 32. We're going to play from 32 to 40. Remember those B flat fingerings. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 32, ready, go. Rest, rest. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. Well done. Our next section starts at 40 and it goes to measure 50. B flat, 40 to 50. 1, 2, 3, ready, set, go. Rest, rest. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, stop. If you've made any mistakes along the way and want to, rewind back and catch those sections again so that you're becoming comfortable and confident with those notes and rhythms. Now we're at measure 50 and we're going to play 8 measures to measure 58. 1, 2, measure 50. 1, 2, 3, ready, set, you go. notice that that section is the same as measures 16 to 24? I hope so, because if you've mastered it back at 16, you'll be great when you get to number 50. Now we're at measure 58, and we're going to play to measure 66. Be careful of these tricky rhythms. Long, short, long, long, long. Here we go. 58 to 66. 1, 2, 3, ready, set, go. At this point in the song, there's a repeat. Where does that repeat go back to? Measure 32, of course, and we would play that entire section again. Do that on your own. Pause this video and see if you can play from 32 to 66. Set a metronome at 110. Next, we'll begin at measure 66 after that big long repeated section, and we're going to play from here to the end. 1, 2, 3, 66, go. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3. Oh, I messed that last note up, and you might do the same. Let's practice those last two measures 3 times. That's a high note D, first finger at the end. But we're going to do it 3 times, 74 and 75. 1, 2, 3, ready, set, go. Let's do it a second time. 1, ready, go. And here's our third time. 1, ready, go. Great. So, has this been helpful? I certainly hope so. I hope now that you'll go back and you'll review the sections of this piece on your own with a metronome, and then challenge yourself and see if you can play all the way through. Set a metronome at 110 and see if you can go from measure 1 to measure 75. It's a challenge, but a challenge I know that you'll succeed at. So until I see you again soon, keep practicing.